Hi everyone, welcome back to In Her Rubber Boots. My name is Katrina and today I have a really exciting DIY project. Whenever possible, I like to be frugal, both out of necessity and because right now I can't really go shopping, we're in lockdown, so I figured what better way to decorate my house, or at least the outside, than to go around my yard and find things that I can incorporate into some decorations. So I'm going to take you guys along because I've definitely got an idea that I think is going to look nice. So I'm actually taking part in the DIY Mommy's Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge, and so there's a whole group of us doing this. I will link the playlist below, so after you watch my video, be sure to check out all of the other videos in the playlist. So what I'm wanting to do is make an outdoor Christmas planter. So I decided I would just walk around my yard and see what sort of branches, twigs, or colorful dried berries or flowers I could find that I could incorporate into a planter that would look good at my front door. So here you can see what we've collected. Got these little red berry things, lots of branches with greenery and some dried flowers, and now we're going to arrange them. So just a tip if you are trying this yourself, make sure you get enough branches that are really thick in size. If they're too thin, when you go to put them in, they break, which is what I was finding, so I just went and grabbed a few more really big branches. And those ones are easier to play around with, and I think that they will stand the test of time a little better versus the ones that are really flimsy. They just break off when the wind comes. Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Also, when you're playing around with it, just remember you're better off with branches that hang out too far as like greenery goes, because you can always trim those back a little once you've got it the way you want it looking. So I know not everybody owns these, but I have these from a past arrangement that we were given at some point, and I saved them, and I think that these will look really good on it and make it look more professional. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. And lastly, to keep it looking rustic but still pretty, some burlap. Often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee. Alright, here's the finished product. I realize it's not perfect, but I don't need it to be perfect. I think that the rustic charm is pretty. And I think it will look nice at my front door. So we've got front door, yeah. A little echo over here. So we've got mostly things that we've been able to pick in the yard, plus a couple of things that I already owned. Nice big burlap bow. So this is totally something you can do yourself. I just used some soil inside of that pot, but you could use sand, or you could buy one of those green foam blocks and do it that way. But this is obviously the free, easy way to do it. So I don't have one of those beautiful front porches that this is going to look gorgeous on, but it doesn't stop me from still decorating and making it look pretty. So I've just got it sitting here on an old wooden chair right at the door. Well, thanks guys so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you are doing free things for Christmas and what creative ideas you have. I'm always looking for ways to save money, and I still love to be able to decorate my house. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, I would love it if you would join the community here. I have lots more Christmas content coming up. I also have farm-style vlogs because I live on a farm here in Canada. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye!